Hey guys, welcome back to Wixfix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a nice page like this where the menu follows the user down the page, and the user can then also jump to certain sections on the page, depending on what they're looking for. This would be great for a terms of service or a privacy policy type page, where you might have different sections and you want to allow your users to find the section they are looking for. Or you can really just use this on any type of page where you have a lot of content and you want your users to quickly jump to the section with the content they are looking for. Now, for this video, we are going to be doing it in Editor X, but if you would like to see me do this in the classic editor, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'll be sure to make a tutorial in the near future. But let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is just apply a grid to this section. We're just going to do a 2x1 grid just like this, but we're going to remove the line over here to the left, giving us more room to work with over here on the right. Now over here on the left, all I'm going to do is just pull out this button right here. We're going to go ahead and remove the background fill from both the hover and the regular state of the button. And we can go ahead and change the text color as well. Okay, for this button, let's go ahead and call it section 1. And we're also going to go into the layouts and just align the text to the left, just like that. Then we're just going to copy this down. We'll do it 2 more times, just like this. And then of course we want to change section 1 to section 2. This one to section 3, and lastly this one to section 4. Now you'll want to do this for all of the sections that you have on the page. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is select all these items. We're going to align it to the left. We're going to distribute vertically. And we're going to press stack. Now for these, I'm just going to go ahead and set a margin of 0 for all of these buttons, just like that. And I think that looks really nice. Great. Now for this right section, I'm going to go ahead and apply a container. We're going to stretch it to the full width of the screen, and we're going to apply like a 1x4 grid to it. Now let's go ahead and grab this section right here, and let's go ahead and make this quite large, maybe like 2500 pixels. Something kind of crazy big. That way we can actually put in our content here. But for this grid right here, let's just go ahead and remove the background color. Now what I want to do is just go ahead and insert another container inside of here. Once again, we're going to remove the background. Then we're going to add a title. Now you can design this any way that you want realistically, but let's go ahead and call this one section 1. Then let's go ahead and pull out a paragraph. And then I'm just going to paste in some text. And maybe we'll do it 2 paragraphs, just like that. And for this text, I'm just going to go ahead and make it blue. Great. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and grab these 2. I'm going to stack them, and I'm just going to center them inside this section, just to make it easy. But I'm going to go ahead and grab this container. I'm going to copy and paste it. But then I'm going to come down to grid area. We're going to set the row from 2 to 4 to 2 to 3. And then we're going to go ahead and press stretch, just like that. And of course, we're going to go in here and change section 1 to section 2. And we're going to go ahead and do that for sections 3 and 4. So we're going to come down to grid area. We're going to copy and paste it, go to grid area, and we're going to do 3, and it's going to automatically apply 4. We're going to stretch it and change the section to 3. And then one more time, copy and paste. I'm going to set this to 4, and it's going to go to 5, stretch it, and change this section title from 3 to 4. Now what I want to do is go ahead and select this container box right here. We're going to come down to anchor, add an anchor, and we're going to call this section 1. Next, we're going to grab this container, add an anchor, and we're going to call this one section 2. Then we're going to come down to this one, add anchor, call it section 3. And last but not least, We're going to call this last one section 4. The next thing we need to do is select each button and make sure it links to the proper section, just like that. And we're going to keep doing that for each one of these buttons. Now if we go ahead and preview the site and we press section 3, it's going to take us down to section 3. But you're going to notice that the menu is not following us yet. And this is a pretty easy fix. All we need to do is select the stack, open up the inspector panel and select layout. Then what we want to do is go to position type. We're going to set to sticky. And let's just go ahead and set 80 pixels of spacing, just like that. And basically what it's going to do is follow us down the page just like that. And this is how you set it up inside of Editor X. But that basically wraps it up for the video today, guys. If you guys did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.